Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment after the video, and make sure you hype the video as well too. I heard that helps our video to go out, you know, that's helping me hype the video, you know, push out the video. Yeah, anyways, today I have something new. So I'm in the RX350 Lexus right now, and I have a cabin air filter. It said Super Tech, and this one is the 7280 cabin air filter. And at the bottom, as you can see, it said Toyota. It said lasts up to 20,000 miles or 2-year protection. Usually people change them every six months to a year. That's how it goes. Now the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, and it basically filtrates the air, you know, when you turn on your AC or have the vents open, the air from outside coming in. It pick up all the dust, the dirt, the pollen, whatever, you know, people who have allergies and stuff. It blocks all that. It cleans the air as clean as possible. And also I have a Armorall Fresh FX. It said vent and dock cleaner, odor neutralizer. And this right here, it said destroy odors from, it said destroy odors forms, because at the bottom is I have it in a different language, but it show a little thing at the bottom. I don't know if the camera could pick that up due to the glare, but it said mold and mildew, stale air and smoke air. So this right here, I'm not going to even spray it in here. It do have a thing. It said cleans and refresh, and they have a video. I have a picture showing that you basically sprayed inside the vent. I'm not going to do that. The only way I'm going to use this is when I pop the hood, turn on the car, of course, and turn on the air, turn off the ventilation, and then spray it, and it'll come through, cleans all the vent, all that scent. It will neutralize all the scent or whatever. Now this is mostly for people who have that problem, you know, due to moisture buildup in summer, and then the heat in the summer, and then it gets cool a certain time of the year, moisture buildup in the system, and it'll cause mold, a moldy scent when you turn on your AC or whatever. That's what this does. This neutralized it, this killed it. But today we're going to, I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to basically install this air filter. So cabin air filter, that is. So let me switch my camera here. Should go on the other side. Let me take this off. Yeah, let me. So this is the glove box right here. Man, what's up with my camera? The glare, the sun, man. So you pop the glove box open. You're gonna have a little latch right here at the side. Turn on my light so you guys can see. You see this right here? You pop that right here. The other side have one as well, and they have a latch on the other side. All right, guys, I'm on the other side, so there's the latch right here. You basically, all right, this is the damper right here. So basically, you pull this out like so. You push it up, you know. That's the damper. And this right here, you bring it down. See how easy that was? Damper right here, don't break it. Damper right here. Pop open this latch. Inside. Take that latch out, and as you can see, this is where the air filter located. You pop this first one off, and then you pull it out like a tray. So this is the air filter right here, guys. As you see, it picked up some stuff from the trees, pollen, dust, all of that. So to take it out, you basically, it's hard to do with one hand, you know, I'm trying to show you guys. Take it out like so. Yep. Take it out just like that. And take off my light as well. So that's out. And here's the new one. And the new one actually show you how to, you know, see the airflow, just like so. And you just pop it in just like this. Just make sure it goes behind these two grooves, underneath these two grooves. So that's the front, this is the back. I'm doing everything with one hand, guys. The one hand struggle. One hand struggle. All right, there you have it. See, I got it in properly. You can match it up. Feel me? That's how you match it up, you know, side by side, just like so. New one, the old one. And for the people who have a scent in their car, they could basically use this now. Turn on the car, turn on the engine, of course, turn on the ventilation system on. Make sure you don't have it on circulation. Make sure you have it on this one right here. And once the air in the car, you start spraying this in the front of the engine to let it neutralize the scent. I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so I pop the hood, of course. I turn on the air. Turn the air on. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna use this, and it's gonna just suck it up. See what I'm doing? It's gonna suck that air up, and it's gonna neutralize the smell. That's what it's gonna do. To neutralize the scent. So spray it a little bit. Don't use all in one go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the position of the air. So that smell is strong in here. So this is the position I'm gonna change it to. It should pop up on here. It's gonna go to the feet area. You feel me? Make sure you got it on high, the highest level as well too. And make sure it's coming from outside. So I change it to that position. I'm gonna spray some more, and I'm gonna change it to another position again. And that's before I install that new air filter, cabin filter that is. So let me spray some more again. It's gonna suck it all up. Suck that in. Neutralize that scent. Kill the odors, bacteria, all of that. You feel me? Let's go back in. I can smell it coming out of the vents. Woo. Smell real good. So we're going to change the positions once again. It's down to the feet area now. So the foot area now, I'm going to spray some more again, of course. I can smell it. It smells real good. It's neutralizing, killing all the odor, whatever smell you have inside the car. It's working. Smell good. Yeah. It's almost done too. I'm not going to use it all, but that's how you do it, you know. And then pull, suck in all that. Go back in. We're going to change the position one more time. Oh, now it's going to come up on the defogger. That's the defroster. So when it gets foggy and then you turn it on, air's still going to come up here on the vents. So I'm going to spray some more again. some more. And of course I could smell it. Let that go through the whole system. Yes. Now we are back to the normal coming out from the vent itself. So you guys could hear it. Stronger, better. Whew, smells good in here. It smells so good, guys. This stuff right here smells so good. Duct, vent and duct cleaning, odor neutralizer, mold, mildew, stale air, smoke. If you're a smoker, this will get the job done. If you do the same trick that I just did, if you do the same thing that I just did, it will work. So let me spray some more for the last. Yep, that should do it. I didn't even use the whole thing. I'll still have some more for next time, or I could just buy a new bottle. You don't have to use this. You could also use Lysol. You could also use Lysol as well. The Lysol will kill the bacteria, neutralize it as well. Just do the same thing that I just did. I did this on my my Avalon as well, and you don't have to. You don't really have to do it if your car don't smell, but you know, sometimes you just want to deodorize, you know, make sure you're getting clean, fresh air out of your vents when you turn on your AC, you know. So, but we're going to install back the new thing. We're going to shut it down, shut it off right here, shut down the car. I'm going to close the hood, and I'm going to go on the other side and reinstall that the bracket for the reinstall this bracket right here. This is how you push it back in. So let me turn on my lights. This is how you know it's the right side. It's set up. So basically gonna just push it back up in there like a tray, an easy tray, you know. Hold on. Gotta get it straightened up. Gotta get it straightened up, guys. Yeah, you just push it up in there, as you can see. You know, push the tray back in, like so. Oh man, my knees is killing me. Where's the other part? Alright, right here. See right here. Make sure you say up. You feel me? Up like so. And you just pop it back in like that. Hope the camera caught that. You just pop it back in. You just push it back in. So that's to release it. Feel me? Release it right here, and you just push it back in just like that. Make sure it's lined up, you know. All right, last but not least, this part, is it this way? Just like so. And here, oh, I need to click this back in, click this back on, like so, and push it up a little bit. Make sure you just click this part, push this part in. It's hard to do with one hand. I'm sorry, guys. If I had a cameraman with me, okay, I got it. And just push it back in just like so. I got it. See how easy that was? Yes. And there you go. Got it. Easy and simple installation. Hope you guys learned something for this new process. Woo. I'm gonna put everything back inside the glove box from the other side. All right, guys, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And you know, I got this from Walmart, guys. Walmart. It was like 13 and change. I had got a discount, drop it down to 12 and change. You know, as I said, due to the tariffs, everything here in America is expensive, man. Like it's off the chain, but it is what it is. You feel me? You gotta live with it, stick to it, all that. So yeah, it provides clean air flow through your vehicle ventilation. So as I said, if you have any orders, do this process that I just did. You know, make sure you grab one of these, or if you don't want to grab one of these, you also could grab Lysol as well. You could use Lysol instead. All you got to do is just do the same procedure that I just did. Take out the old air filter, the old cabin air filter, and do that process that I just did. Turn on the air, make sure this is on, because this is the, take off the circulation, put this on so the air comes from outside. So when you spray it, it comes through all the ventilation system and cleans it, deodorize it, you know, kills, as I said, it kills, the Lysol is going to do the same thing. It's going to kill the mold, stale air, smoke, scent, all that. So when you turn on your AC anytime, it's going to be clean and fresh air, especially when you finish, when you install the brand new cabin filter. Everything is clean now. The air is on right now. It smells pretty good in here, really good in here. Yeah, awesome. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, hype my video up, hype me up, hype me up, hype me up. Hit that hype button, hype me up, guys. And that's how you basically do this whole procedure, installing a brand new cabin air filter. This is the Super Tech 7280 cabin air filter, and at the bottom you see it's a Toyota. It's going to work for the Lexus as well. Look up your make, your model, the year, make, and model, and you'll find it. You can find it on store, find it online. It's up to you. I couldn't find no air filter for this vehicle, so I'm gonna have to go online and get the OEM one for the Lexus RX350. That's what I'm gonna do. But this is the cabin. I found the cabin. It was a good price, you know, 20,000 miles or 2 years. Most likely people change them every 6 months to a year. Depends on the driving style and the driving condition in your area. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Hype that video, hype my video. Peace, bye-bye. I hope you guys have a blessed one. Peace, bye-bye. Take care, and God bless. Peace. I'm out.